Alright guys, I'm going to do a real quick video just to show you these kitchen cabinets that we have at property number 4, our rental property. There's wood right there. And we are going to reface these ourselves. Our plan is to reface them with new wood and build our doors ourselves and see what they look like, see if we can do better with what's here. They're not in bad shape structurally, they're just ugly. And once we finish our flooring, we're going to have our walls done, knockdown done, all that stuff. They're just going to be the eyesore, the worst part of the whole house, because the whole house has been redone. So here they are before. There they are there. There's the bottoms. We pulled the little lip down. This little lip right here was like edge on the countertop. Pulled that off. Here's the side view. Look at all the dirt and grime. People were disgusting. See. Okay, so there they are before. You can see here's the damage to them. These are fiberboard, so there's really no way to fix them that I'm aware of because they swell, they're water damage, that sort of thing. So here's the insides of the bottoms. No big deal, we can just replace that wood there. Here's their tops. Right there, they don't look bad in the camera, but I'm telling you, they are like just garbage. It's all fiberboard. Like right here, you can see this fiberboard. It's you know, I already trimmed it off with the razor blade, but look how that just comes up. You know, it's like fiber that's just damaged and old. I mean, the original cabinets are, you know, what year is this place? 1996. So I mean, they've been here that long. So we're not going to replace them because they're not in our budget. They are structurally sound and safe. We're just going to make them look better. And probably next go around, after the place gets destroyed in a few years, 3 or 4 years, 5 years, we'll replace them with nice cabinets. So yeah. Huh? Yeah, at least they're clean now, but that's what they look like now. Here we haven't decided what we're going to do here. Fridge goes here, and this is one set of cabinets here. Alright. So that's what they look like beforehand. I took pictures too. See if we can make them look better than what's there. We're going to do the countertops as well. And just wanted to show you all what we're working with. And to see if this can inspire other people that you don't need an arm and a leg. We're going to do this. I think this whole project to do all these cabinets in here is going to probably cost us around $300 is my guess. 300 bucks. Now Home Depot wanted what they want for refacing, 2,600.
No, that was new cabinet. It's usually about half.
Well, they said it was like 30% difference is what they said. So whatever it was, $1,800 to reface them was 30% less of $2,600, which I think is about $1,800. So it was not half that. But anyway, that's what we got. So there we have it. See what it looks like when we're done.